When you're in the middle of a plumbing job, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference between a smooth repair and a frustrating one. Whether you're fixing a leaky pipe, installing new plumbing, or dealing with electrical components, the right set of tools can help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 7 of the best plumber tools that every professional should have in their toolkit. From screwdrivers to wire cutters, these tools are designed to save you time and effort on your next repair. Number 1. Klein Tools 32511 in 1 Screwdriver. The Klein Tools 32511 in 1 Screwdriver is a multifunctional tool that is perfect for plumbers who need versatility without carrying multiple tools. This screwdriver features 11 different bits, including slotted, Phillips, and square drive, ensuring you have the right fit for any screw. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, making it easy to grip and turn, even during extended use. Its sturdy construction is built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use, ensuring long-lasting durability. The tool's unique bit storage system allows you to easily change out the bits when needed. The bits themselves are made from heat-treated steel, providing added strength and reducing wear. It's compact enough to fit into tight spaces, making it ideal for plumbing jobs where space is limited. Whether you're working on faucets, valve covers, or other plumbing fixtures, this 11-in-1 screwdriver will provide the versatility and durability you need to get the job done efficiently. Its multi-tool nature helps you save space and weight in your toolkit, making it an essential addition to any plumber's toolbox.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Haisstronica Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool. Next up is the Haisstronica Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool, an essential piece for plumbers who deal with electrical wiring alongside their plumbing tasks. This tool is a 2-in-1 device that combines both wire stripping and crimping functions. The wire stripper is highly precise, allowing you to strip wires of varying gauges without damaging the copper inside. Its ergonomic handles make it easy to control, even when you're working in tight or awkward spaces. The built-in crimping tool is highly effective for securing connectors onto wires, which is crucial for making durable electrical connections. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the haisstronica tool ensures superior strength and rust resistance, so it can handle tough jobs without losing its sharpness or functionality. The handle grips are designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long work sessions. With its clear, easy-to-read scale, you'll get a consistent strip every time, making this tool especially helpful for plumbers who work with electrical wiring systems. Whether you're fixing a water heater or installing a pump, this wire stripper and crimper combo will make your job easier and faster. Number 3. Knipex Tools Electrician Shears. Knipex Tools is known for creating high-quality, professional-grade tools, and their electrician shears are no exception. These shears are designed specifically for cutting through wires, cables, and other tough materials that plumbers often encounter during their work. The blades are made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its durability and resistance to corrosion. The precision ground blades are sharp enough to cut through even the toughest materials without the need for excessive force, which reduces the strain on your hands during use. The ergonomic handles of the Knipex electrician shears are molded for comfort, offering a secure and non-slip grip, even in wet or oily conditions. These shears also feature an integrated wire cutter and a built-in stripping notch, allowing you to easily strip wires without needing an additional tool. This added functionality makes them perfect for plumbing jobs that involve electrical components, such as installing and repairing water heaters, sump pumps, or automated systems. The Knipex electrician shears will quickly become an essential tool in your plumbing arsenal. Number 4. Klein Tools 11063 Delu Wire Cutter. Another must-have tool from Klein Tools is the 11063 Delu Wire Cutter. This tool is designed specifically for cutting copper and aluminum wires, making it a go-to for plumbers who work with electrical systems. Its high-leverage design allows you to cut through tough wires with minimal effort, which is important when you're working in a confined space or need to make quick, precise cuts. The blades are made of high-quality steel, providing durability and long-lasting sharpness, so you can trust this tool to perform well over time. The Klein Tools 11063 GLE features dual material grips, which ensure both comfort and control during use. The insulated handles provide added safety when you're working with live wires, giving you peace of mind in potentially hazardous situations. The tool's compact size makes it ideal for working in tight spaces, while the overall design helps you get a clean cut every time. Whether you're dealing with pipe wiring, thermostat connections, or other electrical tasks, this wire cutter from Klein Tools is built to meet the needs of professional plumbers. Number 5. Irwin Vise-Grip Pliers, Long Nose Pliers. Irwin's Vise-Grip Long Nose Pliers are another essential tool for any plumber's toolkit. These pliers are designed to grab and twist, making them perfect for a variety of tasks, from gripping small pipes to twisting wire or bending metal. The long nose gives you extra reach, making it easier to work in tight spots where other pliers might not fit. The patented Vise-Grip locking mechanism allows the tool to lock in place, providing a secure hold on materials without requiring constant pressure from your hand. Made with high-carbon steel, these pliers are tough and durable, resisting wear and tear even after heavy use. The handles are coated with a soft, non-slip material, ensuring you maintain a firm grip even in slippery conditions. The long nose design not only allows for extra reach but also enables you to work in smaller, more confined spaces without sacrificing control. Whether you're adjusting nuts and bolts, gripping stubborn pipes, or performing any task that requires precision, these Vise-Grip long nose pliers will help you get the job done. Number 6. Hoiuter Wire Twister Tool for Drill. The Hoiuter Wire Twister Tool for Drill is a unique tool that simplifies the process of twisting wires together. Designed for use with a drill, this tool attaches easily to the chuck, allowing you to twist wires in seconds with minimal effort. This is especially useful when you're working on larger plumbing projects that involve multiple wire connections, as it speeds up the process and ensures a more secure and consistent twist. The Hoiuter Wire Twister is built to handle a variety of wire gauges, making it versatile for different tasks. Constructed from high-quality steel, the tool is durable and can withstand the pressure of high-speed drilling. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while the compact size allows for easy storage in your toolkit. Using the Hoiuter Wire Twister tool is simple. Just place your wires in the tool's grip, attach it to your drill, and let the tool do the work. The result is a clean, secure twist, which is ideal for ensuring a strong electrical connection in your plumbing projects. Number 7. Zezzo Magnetic Wiremag Puller. Last but not least, the Zezzo Magnetic Wiremag Puller is an innovative tool that's perfect for pulling wires through tight spaces. With its powerful magnetic design, the Wiremag Puller allows you to pull wires through conduit or other confined areas without having to fish them through manually. The magnetic feature is strong enough to grab hold of wires securely, making it easy to pull them in the right direction. This tool is especially useful for plumbers working in commercial or residential settings where wiring runs through complex or hard-to-reach spaces. The Wiremag Puller is made from durable materials that ensure long-lasting use, even in tough environments. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort when pulling wires. With the Zezzo Magnetic Wiremag Puller, you can save time and reduce frustration when dealing with wire-pulling tasks, making it an invaluable tool for any plumber who deals with electrical components. There you have it, -7 of the best plumber tools that will help you complete repairs with efficiency and ease. Whether you're tackling electrical issues, cutting through tough materials, or needing versatile tools for tight spaces, these tools are built to handle it all. With the right equipment in your toolbox, you'll be able to approach every plumbing job with confidence and precision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on these fantastic tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.